wearing right now?
Nothing yet. No
Jacket?
goggles,
Nothing
jacket.
yet? Okay, Jack, well, it's a lab coat.
Oh, yeah. Jacket.
You're wearing a jacket.
Lab
It's a
coat.
nice jacket.
Lab coat.
Lab coat, yeah. It's got the belt in the back. How about the goggles?
Yeah.
No, not right now. Gloves? No, not for this. So that means this stuff is reasonably safe to do. Okay, now, what do you observe here? What is this filled with?
Gas. Air.
Air, okay, which is a gas in this case, at this temperature, okay, and pressure. So that's filled with air. This is called an Erlenmeyer flask, filled with air. What about this?
Salt?
Salt?
Is it sugar?
Does it look like salt? Is it sugar? Is it salt? Is it potassium cyanide? You laugh. That's pretty serious stuff.
It sounds like
It
it.
grabs onto your hemoglobin and then you can't breathe and so on. The iron in your hemoglobin. You'll find out. No, you won't try. Not allowed to kill the students. Okay, so what's in here?
A substance, yeah.
Okay, unknown substance. How about air?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, there is air in here, in the beaker. It's called a beaker. And so what unknown, what does it look like?
Baking soda?
A white powder.
Okay, a white powder. That's the kind of thing I'm looking for, is that kind of detail. Baking soda is actually a powder. This is a white crystalline solid. So kind of like you said, salt or sugar or something like that. What do you notice about when I do this? It moves, okay. So does this swirl around like a liquid?
No.
No, I can pour it. It'll freeze. You do from one thing to, so is it a liquid or is it a solid?
Solid.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, you get an idea of where we are right now. Okay, now this, here's one thing I'm gonna be doing. Obviously, because I'm doing it. Okay, what did I just do?
Put water in there.
How do you know it's water?
Well, it says on there non-potable water.
You
So-
believe it?
I mean, I try to be
Should this be
trusting.
acetone? Could it be liquid nitrogen? I hope not too. This is a room temperature, I hope. Okay, so whatever came out of here went into here. Gravity holds, is this a liquid?
Yes.
Okay, is there water gas in here at all?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know.
Maybe.
There's a possibility. Okay, what am I gonna do? Guesses?
I'm gonna pour the water into the beaker.
Close.
You're gonna pour the salt into the.
Or you're gonna pour the
Oh, it's
unknown
not
white
salt.
substance.
White crystalline solid, okay, I'll give you that. White crystalline solid, I'm gonna pour into the contents of this. Okay, so you wanna observe that. Okay, so everybody see how that works. Well, it works, okay. Well, what do you see right now?
It's dissolving.
It is? What does that mean? What do you see?
Stuck to the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, what went to the bottom? Heavier stuff?
The white.
Which is heavier, the white crystalline solid or say 1 ton of water?
It's the density.
Density, okay, what's density?
How
You
dense
see,
it
I'm
is.
gonna, what is this stuff? What is this stuff? Okay, are they on the bottom of the flask? They're not at the top of the flask? Is one above the other? Is, okay. Do they separate out like that or like that? Horizontal? Okay. What am I gonna do? Mix it?
Attempt to.
Attempt to do something. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. This is, by the way, this is why I select an Erlenmeyer flask, a conical flask, because if you swirled a beaker, it wouldn't work so well. So frequently we do use these scientific looking things. Okay, I guess everyone's observing this. You guys can spread out a little bit. Everybody see? Okay, I'm swirling some stuff. Anything else you observed during this, while this is happening? The white crystals vanish? Okay, yeah, they're leaving. Aren't you glad you got a video of this? Okay. I think we pretty much got the end state of this. Okay, so what do you see now?
The water's cloudy.
The water's cloudy. Okay, there is a little bit of cloudiness to it. But what happened to the white crystalline solid?
It's all,
It did what?
it's all liquid.
It's all liquid? The white crystalline solid is all liquid? Okay. So what is in here? This is non-potable water. So this contains non-potable water, right? We'll assume that's the case. What about the white crystals?
Sugar?
Hi, honey. Yeah, no. Sugar in here? No, what happened to it? They
Dissolved.
disappeared, right? Or you said
Dissolved.
they vanished. Okay, the name of this experiment is vanishing. It vanished. Now, so this like entered another universe or something? What happened? What happened to the white crystalline solid? It
It's been
changed?
dissolved.
Okay. It vanished. It's not here anymore. It's gone. Right?
Mhm.
Okay. Is that what you really believe, that it did that? Now, what do you think happened? It went, oh, I heard a word.
It dissolved,
It dissolved? Okay, what does that mean?
broke down.
It broke down? What do you mean, it's crying or?
They're like,
It broke down? It turned into something other than salt or other than sugar?
No, just a different form.
A different form?
it like broke down into smaller
Yeah, it
pieces.
changed to something that.
I don't believe that. It vanished. I say it vanished, and it's nowhere to be found.
Yep.
Okay, so this is water, and that other stuff, what, do you think it was sand or something?
No. No.
Why not?
Sand doesn't dissolve.
Sand doesn't disappear when you put it in water.
It's something that's water soluble.
I don't know what that means. What is soluble?
Water changes it. Yeah.
Water changes it?
Makes it water. It takes its chemicals.
Well, I say it's gone. It's gone. So I want you to demonstrate in your lab write-up that if it's not gone, what would you have to observe? How could you say prove, actually demonstrate is the better word, that the white crystalline solid is still around and it's still in there somewhere? Because I say it's not.
You could like find the mass of the liquid,
What's mass?
like how much stuff.
How much stuff?
Yeah, like,
Actually, that is a measure of mass,
yeah.
is how much stuff there is. No, it's true.
I know.
Okay. By the way, chemistry is, what is chemistry?
How much stuff?
It's the study of stuff.
Stuff.
If you see any stuff around here, it's what you study, okay? That's what chemistry is. It's the study of matter and its interactions. We'll deal with that some more. Oh, were you raising your hand? No, you, oh. Okay, so you're gonna have the instructions on how to write this up.